is Shanghai Jiao Master Degree Program first year.
No.
Oh, Bachelor Degree Program fourth year. Almost there. Okay. So we are trying to, and she is Chinese and Master Degree Program first year.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. And I am teaching degree program second year. Right. Okay. So we are trying to make a summary of how life looks like for 24 hours in a typical Shanghai Jiao day, because we are all Shanghai Jiao, right? Okay. 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 She wakes up at around 12 in the noon.
Yes.
I'm very proud of you, right? Just kidding.
Okay, and I will just
Breakfast and the normal things.
Breakfast usually will be have at like 3 o'clock.
So it's like a brunch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And okay, in between 12 to 3, do you take a class or like a academic study work?
Depends on the day do I have a class.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you have a class, you take a class, then you go eat lunch, brunch,
Yeah.
and then what do you do?
And then I will do some of my work and my coursework.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Oh, you only take one class a day.
not one class a day, but like one class like 3 days.
One class in 3 days. Very cool. I really want your life. Okay. And then you do some activity for the course, like study or like assignment,
Yeah.
and then you play a game in the evening.
Yeah. Sometimes I go to the play volleyball.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and other sports.
Uh-huh.
And then because I stay outside, so I will like do some how to say
Fitness or running.
I'll clean my house.
Really?
Stay outside, yeah.
Okay.
I'll do some
Oh, outside the school, which means you don't stay in the dorm, you stay outside the...
yes.
Okay.
Because there's no dorm in our campus for international students.
Oh, okay. Sure.
And I will start cooking for my dinner.
Uh-huh. And you'll eat in the school, right? Mostly?
What?
You will eat on campus mostly, right?
No, I eat at
Outside?
outside.
Okay.
Yeah, I cook myself.
Okay. Cook for myself.
Yeah, cook for myself.
Ah,
cook
okay.
myself.
Ah,
Okay. Yeah,
okay.
And then I think no more.
Oh, and it's lucky because this guy's first year PhD. We can have more opinion.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Second year. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I don't know the years exactly. So second year. Okay. And then when do you go to bed?
Around 2 o'clock at night.
Perfect. Do you play video games in the middle?
No, I don't like video games, but
Sounds good.
yeah.
And what do you do in a day? One day in your life. Master first year. Right.
Yeah, first year.
Dancing all day.
Dance.
No. Just like she said, like
What time you
wake up
Usually 7.
a.m.
Yeah.
You see that?
She ain't sleep.
She doesn't
Dancing
sleep.
all day.
And then what do you do? Like breakfast
Yeah, breakfast.
at 7 almost?
Almost before 8.
Before 8. See that? Good healthy practices. Good for the mind, good for the body, good for the soul. Keep going.
If I have class, I will go class. If I don't have, maybe in this holiday, I try to learn piano.
Piano. See? Activity. Good job. Keep going. I'm so proud of you right now.
And then go to.
It's not I'm not proud of you, but I'm more proud of her.
And I go starting, but my starting is not very efficiency.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Just spend some time to study,
Yeah.
trying, learning. Yeah, that's okay. That's how it's done probably.
It's just like 度过时间.
Okay.
And-
Mixing up stuff.
Yeah, and I have breaking lunchtime.
Uh-huh. Do you nap after you eat your lunch? Do you take a nap?
Yeah.
How long? Of course. You see that? It's a part of her life. No, it's actually really nice. We need to do this too.
30 minutes to
1 hour after you eat lunch, right?
yeah.
It's very good actually.
In the afternoon,
Exercise.
I go to study, but it's also not very efficient.
Okay. Do you play any game?
In the night,
What do you play?
dancing.
Okay, aerobics.
Dream, but dream is dancing is all the time.
Okay.
Almost to 9 or 10 o'clock.
Okay.
And the day is over.
Okay. And what time you sleep?
11 to 12.
Perfect. And PhD guy. PhD 2年, second year PhD. Day in your life in Shanghai Jiao. She's also Shanghai Jiao PhD guy. Okay. So what time you wake up typically?
6.
Say, are you sure?
Amazing. Okay, and what do you do?
I
Eat.
wake up so early.
Then what do you do? Eat breakfast immediately?
Yeah, eat breakfast immediately. And before 8 a.m. I arrive at
The lab.
lab.
I want to be like this guy. No. I also want to be like parts of you are just trying to figure out what different stages of research or life in our school looks like.
Because I'm a morning person.
Okay. And then what do you do?
And then,
Work in the lab and take a break,
and yeah.
lunch. Do you sleep after lunch? Take a nap?
Yeah.
In the lab, ma?
Of course. In the lab.
It's the Chinese culture, eh? They will always, it's efficient to have more better working after the nap.
Because I wake up at like 6 a.m.
Yeah, and she wake up at 7 a.m. Yeah.
If I don't
Also that makes sense. Okay.
If I don't have a nap, if I don't have a lab, I will be
Tired, like
I would die.
die. Okay. Okay, and you eat your lunch and you nap in the lab,
Yeah.
and then you wake up and then you do what?
Yeah, do work.
Again in the lab. Just stay in the lab. And what time you go home from the lab?
6 p.m.
Perfect, man. Your day is like
6 p.m. I will go for dinner
okay
and then go back to the dorm.
to sleep.
Not to sleep. That's too early. Okay.
You play a game or like activity or something.
I just don't wanna watch the computer. I would like to sing songs or play game.
Like karaoke or play game, video game. Yeah, that's it. That's
No video game. Play guitar.
Play
I don't
guitar.
want to watch the computer screen anymore.
Oh, you want to off-screen time.
Yeah.
You see?
Screen time.
Off-screen time. Off-screen time. Okay, perfect. So, anybody interested in my life?
Of course.
Okay. Let me be very honest. Okay. I wake up almost at 5:30 or 6.
5
Because,
in the morning?
Yeah, because some days, like 2 days in a week, I have to lecture, and my first lecture is at 8:30.
Okay.
So I need to wake up at 5. The days I have lecture is like a little tired because 8:30 to 10:30 first lecture, then 1 hour break and second lecture, and the third lecture is almost at 4 p.m. and ends at 5. So in between the lecture, I eat the brunch. I don't eat breakfast. I eat brunch, very unhealthy, but I do this. And I eat in the school cafeteria all the time. I don't eat outside. And I honestly don't have time to cook. And then after this, I teach and then have student interaction, like someone has a project problem, solving. And then at 5 p.m., I take a walk around the campus. I make sure I walk 20,000 steps a day.
Really?
Every day? Yeah, every day. But when I'm lecturing, right, because I have to go from Shanghai to other province, like other part of China to lecture, high-speed rail. So maybe it's 10,000 more to traveling that day. So 30,000 steps in that day. But I try to reach 20,000 every day. And
that's a lot.
in the evening, right? And after that, I go back to my home and take a nap till 12 at night. And 12 o'clock I wake up because I have student in like different country. So I wake up, and by the time the student in UK wake up or like have the right time for the meeting. So 12 to 3 meeting. And then 3:30 or 4, I still need to do some reading and
But
some
how do you
review.
wake up at 5:30?
Yeah, because I break my schedule, my sleeping cycle into 2 parts, right? Like 9:30, 10, I take a nap till 12. And then after 3:30, I take a nap from 3:30 to 5:30 or 6, like this. And the days I don't teach, I just go to my office at like 6 in the morning. And then generally I sleep in my office. You know what I mean? I have a nice couch in my office. So I just sleep. So that way I cut down the
I'm jealous.
travel time, right? It's very convenient to have a, right? And usually I also prefer to shower in the office because our showering for faculty. So I shower in the office and like it's much efficient on my time. So the day I don't teach is a little bit more relaxed. I wake up at 7:38, and then in the middle, also in that day, I also after lunch I nap if I'm not teaching because I have time, right? And then I focus much of the first half to research and the second half to research between the nap, and then again I nap again, and then 12 meeting again. The meeting at 12 is constant. 12 to 3:30 every day meeting. Even here I meeting because the internet is very good. So this is my lifestyle. I know it's very unhealthy. And even when I'm in Shanghai Jiao Shuhui campus, I try to walk 20,000 steps. So that's why I have the 中文怎么说 the tracking watch.
就是徒步的那个
So I can
表。
monitor the
Wow.
heart
他
rate.
每天走2万步。
Yeah.
Oh my
And
God.
also, woman有一个 our faculty club, we have like a social health system. So we share our data, so we can like tracking each other's walking speed, eating things, you know, calorie burn and stuff. So we compete. This helps me stay alive. So okay, this is 3 different life cycle of a Shanghai Jiao student and study guy.